Welcome back to Autoscope, the outside of a 2026 Dodge 4x4 motorhome. Functional and aerodynamic, despite being a 4x4 motorhome, the design aims for optimal aerodynamics to lower wind resistance and boost fuel economy. Body construction to save weight. Lightweight yet durable materials like carbon fiber or aluminum composite are used. Complete LED lighting for better visibility in every situation. Use LED headlights, taillights, and fog lights. External storage. Off-road equipment has plenty of secure external storage. Integrated solar panels to charge the home battery. The motorhome's roof will have integrated solar panels. Automatic awnings. Shade is provided outdoors by automatically retractable side awnings. Interior, kitchen, refrigerator and freezer, stainless steel sink, convection oven, microwave, gas induction cooktop. Smart kitchen storage, cabinets and drawers that are locked to stop them from moving while you're moving. Queen or king-sized fixed bed, possibly above or behind the driver's cabin. Converts from a sofa to a bed. Dining table, expandable or foldable. Internal storage. The interior is filled with numerous cupboards, drawers, and storage spaces. Lithium-ion LiFePO for batteries have a large capacity and a long lifespan. Power consumption from solar panels, batteries, and generators is tracked and optimized using a smart energy management system. Gasoline engine, probably the most recent V8 Hemi engine, with enough power to climb and pass. Plus a multi-speed automatic transmission, front and rear differential locks, for optimal traction on extremely slick or uneven surfaces, improved off-road suspension, more robust springs, robust shock absorbers, and perhaps an adaptive air suspension system for comfort and ride height adjustment on a range of roads. High ground clearance to make overcoming barriers easier. For the best traction on gravel, mud, snow, or dirt, use all-terrain or mud-terrain tires. Security systems may include external security cameras, central door locks, and alarms.